Fundamental rights या बुनियादी हकूक, the rights which every human being should be given. Every human being is entitled to. Some rights are the basic rights of all citizens. If all citizens don't get their rights, if some get more rights, whereas some are denied their rights, then there is a big question mark on the fair and just treatment of citizens in the society. So we can ask them, why are we not treating people in the same manner, equally? The Constitution of Pakistan allows fundamental rights to all citizens without discrimination. And why we are discussing it here is because we are talking about gender issues and the relationship of gender with rights and entitlement to rights. If the Constitution is giving equal rights to all human beings, then why is it that there is gender discrimination in many ways in the society? In case of violation by the government or anyone else, the individual has the right to approach the Supreme Court or High Courts for the protection of his or her fundamental rights, according to the Constitution. Among other fundamental rights, it is stated that all citizens are equal and there shall be no discrimination on the basis of sex, etc. So, gender differences or discrimination नहीं होनी चाहिए. No person shall be deprived of life or liberty save in accordance with law. Safeguard as to arrest and detention, इसके बारे में बात की गई है. इसके अलावा फेयर ट्रायल की बात की जाती है जो हमारे बुनियादी हकूक है. Slavery, there should be protection against retrospective punishment. This is also a right. There shall be protection against double punishment and self-incrimination. Freedom of movement for everyone should be there. Freedom of assembly for all citizens. Freedom of association for all citizens. Freedom of speech for all citizens. These are our fundamental rights. Freedom of trade. All citizens should have have access to information in all matters of public importance. Freedom to profess religion and to manage religious institutions in country. Safeguard against taxation. Safeguard as to educational institutes in respect of religion. All citizens have a right to acquire, hold and dispose of property in any part of Pakistan. Protection of property rights. All citizens are equal and there should be no discrimination on the basis of sex, etc. Free and compulsory education to all children of age 5 to 16 by the government. No discrimination in respect of access to public place. Safeguard against discrimination in services also. All citizens have right to preserve their particular language, script and culture. According to the Universal Declaration 2, we see that there is no space for gender discrimination. According to its Article 1, all human beings are born free and equal in dignity and rights. यानी तमाम इंसानों की तकरीम और उनके हकूक बराबर होने चाहिए. They are endowed with reason and conscience and should act towards one another in a spirit of brotherhood. According to Article 2 of the Declaration, everyone is entitled to all the rights and freedoms set forth in this declaration without distinction of any kind of such as race, color, sex, language, religion, political or other opinion, national or social origin, property, birth or other status. So हम देखते हैं कि हाँ हम बैनुल-अक़वामी डेक्लेरेशन को देख लें और उसी के साथ उसी की रोशनी में हम अपने दस्तूर को भी देखते हैं तो तमाम इंसानों को बुनियादी हकूक़ हासिल हैं. कहीं पे ये नहीं लिखा कि किसी को कोई हकूक़ हासिल होंगे और किसी को कुछ हकूक़ हासिल नहीं होंगे. जिन माशरों में हकूक़ नहीं दिए जाते वहाँ पे यही कहा जाता है कि वहाँ पे इस्तेसाल हो रहा है और एक्सप्लॉयटेशन इख्तियार की जा रही है. वरना चाहे जेंडर डिफरेंसेस हों, रेस के या कल्चर के डिफरेंसेस हों, रीजन के डिफरेंसेस हों, इंसानों के हुकूक एक जैसे हैं और बराबर हैं. It reflects that men and women have equal status and no one has edge or advantage over the other on the basis of their gender. तो चुनांचे हम मुआशरे के रवैयों का जब हम मुतालिया करें, अपनी तहकीक करें या उसके बारे में बात करें, बहस व तमहीज़ करें, तो हमें जहन में रखना चाहिए कि बुनियादी हुकूक तमाम इंसानों के एक जैसे हैं और हकूक़ के मामले में कोई भी शख्स बरतर या कमतर नहीं है, मर्द हो या खातून.